assuming a normal distribution also allows us to compute the probability of observing values in a certain range. If we are interested in computing a probability for values between 50,000 and 100,000, what we can do is to simply subtract these two numbers. So we'd get the probability, assuming a normal distribution, for observing values between 50 and 100,000 of about 10%. And again, we can do that for all other intervals that we are given here. If we want to compare these numbers to those from directly taken from the data, we would divide the entries in this column, where we have counts for observations between those ranges, we would now have an empirical probability, so to speak, to observe values between 100 and 150, as it is the case in the data, of about 34%, whereas assuming a normal distribution, we would get only about 21% for observing prices in that range. Now, once we have obtained those percentages or probabilities, we could convert those into a bar chart, and we would have a chance to make a judgment regarding the normality based on comparing those bars, the blue from the empirical, the red from the normal, and we would more clearly see that in certain, for certain ranges of the data, there's quite some discrepancy between the assumption of a normal distribution and what we find empirically.